Fetch Rewards does not require you to constantly use your phone to keep the app installed, but activities like scanning receipts, browsing offers, and using your camera can increase battery usage while you are actively using the app. By the end, you'll know what can cause Fetch Rewards battery usage, how to check if the app is affecting your phone, and what settings can help reduce unnecessary power drain. Section 1 is understanding what uses your battery. Your phone uses more energy when the screen is on, the camera is running, internet connections are active, or the processor is handling tasks. Fetch Rewards is mainly used for activities like scanning receipts and managing rewards inside the app. These actions require your phone to process information, which can use more battery than leaving the app closed. Receipt scanning can use additional power because it involves camera access and processing images. If you scan several receipts or spend more time inside the app, your phone may use more battery during that session. Section 2 is checking whether Fetch Rewards is actually causing battery drain. Your phone already tracks battery usage by app. Open your device's battery settings and review which apps are using the most power. Compare Fetch Rewards with other apps on your phone. Social media apps, video apps, games, and apps with frequent background activity can also affect battery life. If your battery drops while you are actively scanning receipts or using Fetch Rewards features, the activity you are performing may be the reason. If battery usage continues when the app is not open, check other apps and device settings. Section 3 is reducing battery usage while using Fetch Rewards. Start by lowering your screen brightness when you do not need the highest setting. A brighter display requires more power during use. Close apps you are finished using to reduce unnecessary background activity. This helps your phone manage resources more efficiently. Keep Fetch Rewards updated through your phone's app store. Updated apps can include performance improvements and fixes that help the app run properly. You can also review your phone's battery saving options. These settings can limit background activity and help your battery last longer. The key points are simple. Fetch Rewards battery usage depends mostly on how you use the app, how long your screen stays active, and what other apps are running. Your phone's battery menu can show whether Fetch Rewards is contributing to power usage. Your next step is to check your battery settings, compare app usage, and adjust your phone settings based on what you find. If this guide helped you understand Fetch Rewards battery usage, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.